Hi, I'm Sam Smyth from Smyth and Motorcar Service. We have a Jaguar X Type all-wheel drive in here. It's an '04. I want to show you what somebody's done. I don't know what they're doing here, but they put all these clamps in here. I don't know if this is trying to lower the car, but you can see the damage that it's doing. And then the sway bar links are shot. You come up to the front, we've got loose panels everywhere, but they've actually done the exact same in the front. I don't know if they're trying to lower the car or what they're trying to do. But when you do something like this is really unsafe. You should buy a lowering package than to grab all this stuff and try and lower it yourself. You even have tie straps here for the fender. I don't know what's going on there. So anyway, with that being said, I just wanted to show you that. This would make it unsafe. The lower pan's missing, and it would make everything rattle. This is all hanging off too. So there's a lot of things on here that make a whole bunch of neat noise. So anyway, with that being said, we just wanted to show this to you. We're going to take care of all the suspension issues. Thank you. This is Sam Smyth, the Motorcar Service here in Cincinnati, Ohio. And this is a Jaguar X Type '04.